Muskan here. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I'm gonna show you comparison between two foundations and both are very affordable and both are very good quality product. So yes, let's not waste the time and directly jump into the video. Yes guys, so I'm gonna talk about these two foundations here. I'm gonna compare these two foundations. So Lakme's one retails for 250 or 220 rupees. I'm not sure because I got this on sale, and uh, Wet n Wild's one retails for 599. Again I got this for 380 or 350 rupees from Amazon. So I'll just link all the details in description box below. And yeah, as you can see, next one is packaging. So as you can see, both comes in a glass bottle. So but Wet n Wild's one looks more luxurious. I mean it is not that flimsy, and yeah, Lakme's one looks something like this. So packaging is good, but you know, it is not that travel friendly because both comes in a glass bottle. So yes, that's that. And Lakme's foundation contains SPF 8. It does nothing to your skin because at least any foundation should contain SPF 15 minimum at least, but SPF 8 is like nothing, it does nothing. And coming to Wet n Wild, it doesn't have any SPF, but it is cruelty free. And yeah, I forgot to mention my shade. So in Lakme it is Invisible Finish Foundation, sorry, 02. Shade number is 02, and shade name, it doesn't have any shade name, I guess. Yeah, in Wet n Wild my shade name is Classic Beige or Beige Classic or Classic Beige. And shade number is E371C, I guess. I'm not sure, but my shade is Classic Beige. Yeah, Classic Beige. So yes, and now let's talk about its consistency. Both have the same consistency. It is liquid consistency. I'll just show you. So as you can see, this is very secured one, you know, Wet n Wild is very secured packaging. As you can see, both comes in a liquid form, but it is not that runny and it is not that thick, but like its consistency is like not even creamy, I can say, but it is kind of serum consistency. So yeah, and also both comes in a spatula. It doesn't have any pump, but you will be getting spatula like this, and I'll show you the Wet n Wild's one. So it comes with the spatula like this. And coming to its fragrance, Lakme's one is it smells something like Lakme sunscreen. If you have used that, Lakme's fragrance is same like what we say, Lakme sunscreen. And coming to Wet n Wild's fragrance, it is somewhat smells like medicine, you can say, or any chemical, but it stays only for like 2 to 3 minutes, that's it, but nothing like overpowering. And next thing is also Wet n Wild is photo focus. I mean, you can take selfies and you won't get that flashback. And it says that goodbye photo flashback. And like seriously guys, this is a really good foundation because I have taken pictures wearing this foundation and it doesn't give you that flashback. And
so Lakme has 4 shades and Wet n Wild has 20 shades. And seriously guys, Wet n Wild also comes with different undertones, not only with like different shades but also with different undertones. So I really appreciate it because you know we Indian girls like has pretty different skin tones and undertones, and you can always like find your shade. And as you can see, there is a lot of difference, right? And like this is the darkest shade I have in Lakme, but you can see, and this is very close to my skin tone, as you can see. And yeah.
Yes guys, now who can use this foundation? So if you have a very oily skin, then you can go for Wet n Wild's one, and if you have pretty normal or like bit of combination skin, you can say, you can go for this Lakme's one. But if you have a dry skin, then I don't recommend both foundations because both are very drying, and especially Wet n Wild's one is so drying because it also leaves patches here. Um, you can see this in demo. I'll show you. And yeah, if you have a dry skin, you can always apply, or you can use some moisturizer before using this foundation because this is very drying guys. But this is a really good foundation, a really good option for oily skin people out there. And this one you can use if you have dry skin, you can use this, but it doesn't give you that full coverage. You can use this for daily basis, or
Yeah, if you're going in lunch or dinner or any like simple parties, so you can use this. But if you're going in a very special occasion, or if you are going in wedding or like sangeet, you can use this foundation because it really stays for a long time. At least it stays for 8 hours at least. And if you're using primer, then seriously guys, it stays for like whole day because I have pretty dry skin, but it really works for me because it leaves patches. But if you're moisturizing your face really well, and if you're applying primer beneath, then it really works for dry skin people also. And but this is really good for oily skin people. And like talking about availability, it is available in India and not like all shades. You can get all shades in Lakme, but in Wet n Wild you can get only I think 13 to 14 shades I guess. But anyways, you will find your a true match. And coming to other thing, I think I covered all points.
yes guys, so that's pretty much it. I covered all points. And now which foundation you should go for. So if you're on budget, then I recommend you to go for Lakme's one. And if you want really good foundation which can stay for hours and which really gives you good coverage, then you should go for this one because coverage wise Wet n Wild gives you best coverage, like best coverage, and also it blends really well. I mean, it just blends like magic guys. I mean, yeah, talking about blendability, Lakme also blends good, but I mean, it doesn't give you that full coverage. So yeah, Wet n Wild is a winner here. And I know it is a little bit pricier side, but as I said already, on Amazon there will be a sale every time. You can buy this foundation at that time on sale. But this is really good foundation guys. And yes, so if you are college going girl, or if you want a foundation for daily basis, then you should go for this one. This is really good foundation. So yes, this was a small comparison, and let's get into demo. Yes guys, so on my left side I'm gonna use this Lakme's Invisible foundation, and on my right side I'm gonna use Wet n Wild's Photo Focus foundation. So I'm just taking very little amount, and so as you can see, this is a true match for my skin tone. So as you can see, Wet n Wild has a little bit of orange undertone, and Lakme one has a yellow undertone. So as you can see, I'm just taking a very little amount, and I'm just spreading it now. I'm not blending it, but just spreading it. And I'm gonna use Beauty Blender now. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna blend it now. And Wet n Wild blends very easily, but if you have a dry skin, then I think it can leave patches. But if you have a very dry skin, Lakme one can it gives you a little bit of dewy finish comparing to Wet n Wild's one. as you can see. So if you have an oily skin, then both the foundations are perfect for you, so go for it. So this is how my face is looking right now. Coverage wise, Wet n Wild is best. So yes guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. And yeah, I'll be back soon. Bye.